Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change the lock screen style on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on wallpapers and style. From here just tap on the wallpaper which is in use, and from here you can edit the lock screen. For an example, if you tap on the clock, you can add or remove the temperature from here, and also you can change the clock style from the available clock styles over here. For an example, I will select this one, and beneath that you can change the font style of the clock on the lock screen. And from here you can increase or decrease the thickness of the font of the clock on the lock screen. And from here you can select a color for the clock. Just like that. And once you have edited the clock style, after that you can tap on the wallpaper, and from here you can select any wallpaper style which you like. For an example, I will select this one. You can increase or decrease the size of the wallpaper, just like that. And you can enable or disable the depth effect for the wallpapers which support the depth effect, just like that. And once you're satisfied with your clock style, just tap on apply. And this is how you can change the lock screen style on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.